Hey y'all, welcome back to this YouTube video. I'm here today to do another video on these Champion shoes. They are called the Rally Pro. This is what they look like. I'm going to be reviewing these and I'm going to show you some outfits that can go with these. And I am a size 5. Very flexible. You guys, these are so comfortable. I know these are old, but I barely got my hands on some, thanks to my husband. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys some outfits that go with these. With the cardigan, cute. Alright guys, so like and subscribe for more videos, and remember, when I reach 50 subscribers I'll be giving a giveaway, and I'll show you guys next video what the giveaway is. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Bye. Peace.